Now, everybody loves classic vehicles. Well, maybe except for the part where you gotta own it, maintain it, and, do everything with it. But this right here may just be the cheat code. This is gonna be one of the craziest classic vehicles that I've ever driven. My name is Evo, and you're watching God Next. Now, I'm willing to bet most of you probably have a story of riding in your grandpa's Ford, Chevy, Dodge, whatever kind of truck. And when you think about that, it just fills your body with a bunch of emotion, nostalgia, and you're just like, I wish I could go back to those days. But again, most of you probably don't want to own a classic vehicle because they're hard to maintain. Well, Velocity Restorations has you covered with this right here. This started life originally as a 74 Ford F100, but that's about as much as is left of a 74 F100 is the body, because everything is absolutely custom. Velocity took the truck and they reimagined it as a 2026 with essentially all the amenities and everything that we enjoy nowadays. You don't have to deal with all the old aspects, no power steering and stuff like that, because this truck has all of those things. Now, speaking of maintenance easiness, let me show you what's under the hood. Now, here's the heart of the beast. Now, again, it being a reimagined truck means that it's gonna have a fully custom chassis and powertrain, and this one does. This one specifically has a 5-liter Coyote V8 from Ford. It's a crate motor, makes about 460-ish horsepower, and it is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission straight from the F-150 or straight from the Mustang. You can get it with a 6-speed, which would be cool, but essentially everything's brand new under here. Willwood big brakes. You've got a vintage air conditioning system, which is needed, especially here in Las Vegas, as it's already starting to creep into the hundreds. This has zero sharing with an original F100, and that's a good thing because, again, finding parts for an original F100 engine may be a little bit tougher. Can you find parts for a Coyote at O'Reilly? Absolutely you can. All you gotta do is walk down the street to the parts store. Everything in here is easily fixable with parts that are available today. Now, the main thing with this truck is the drivability of it, because this does not drive like a 74 F100. And the only way for us to really find that is, well, let's get behind the wheel. Let's take this monster for a ride. Now, for the real aspect of this is driving the 74 Velocity F100. It drives quite literally like a brand new truck. I mean, it is a brand new truck, right? So the car itself is what Velocity calls a reimagining. So it's not a Restomod technically. The only thing that this thing really shares with the original truck is, I guess, the body. That's it. Full powertrain is brand new. Obviously, like I said, a 5-liter Coyote V8, a 10-speed automatic from a Mustang, and the chassis is from a Roadster Shop chassis out in Colorado. They actually built the chassis for this thing, and it literally drives like a Mustang because it's technically like a Mustang chassis. It handles super well. The truck brakes on a dime due to the big Willwood brakes. I mean, the way this thing is designed is perfect. It literally is perfect. The truck is you could daily drive this truck. It's got cold AC I'm using right now. It's got a full Bluetooth system, and the folk house speakers it's got in here are banging. But I mean, do you really need speakers when you have this? I didn't even really get on it. That was barely a quarter throttle, and it just sounds so good. And this thing wants to get loose because it's got obviously rear-wheel drive. It's got 19-inch wheels in the front, 20s in the rear, and this thing is an absolute animal. I mean, if you floor it from a standstill, it will literally just roast the tires. But that's not even the craziest thing. You could get one of these even crazier. So the 5.0 is already an awesome motor, right? Well, Velocity will let you slap on a Whipple supercharger on this thing for an additional fee, of course, and probably make it like 700 horsepower, which is insane. In a truck that weighs less than a new Mustang, by the way, because obviously it's got no airbags, none of all that safety stuff. It's got an awesome kick-in suspension that can handle this. I mean, this is, if you're looking to spend money and you're like, I don't care about the price, I want perfection, I just want to have a truck that I could quite literally daily drive, this is it. But this F100 right here, it's technically called a dent side F100 because it's 74. This is an awesome truck. It's painted in eruption green, which is the paint color that came out on the Bronco, the newer Bronco, I should say. But you could get it in a bunch of different colors. You could do Tiffany blue, you could do Nardo gray, you could do root beer, like dark red. It looks awesome. And this truck is amazing. If I was looking to get something like this, I mean, I would literally buy one of these. A Velocity Customs F100, you can't go wrong. The truck itself has got enough power, it's got a great daily drivability, and it looks kicking. I mean, it's awesome. Everybody's staring at this, and we're driving down the street, people are looking at it, and they're like, oh, it's a cool old truck. But that's the thing. Again, about that nostalgia factor, it's a cool old truck that like your grandpa probably had, but guess what your grandpa didn't have? A 460 horsepower V8 under the hood that could do massive burnouts and donuts. And drive it every day, right? I mean, he could have back then, but now you don't want to really drive these old trucks unless you got this. This truck is literally it. This truck has all the soul because it looks awesome, but it's got none of the headaches of a 70s truck. The AC works fine, you've got Bluetooth, and you've got an awesome V8 that can cruise on the highway at 70 miles an hour, or when you need to pass somebody, you just floor it. So let me know down below, have you guys seen these things online? I know they've been floating all over Instagram and everything, or would you go out and buy one of these? I would. I think this is an awesome truck. It's the way this thing is built, the suspension and the powertrain, it's amazing. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you check out the rest of the channel and all the other videos. And again, let me know down below, what do you guys think about the Velocity F100? I hope you all have a great rest of your day.